class.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
All right. Today we are going to work on geometry. Do you know what geometry is? Okay, geometry is the study of shapes and angles. And the first thing we're going to do today is I'm going to let you watch a video.
No. Yes. Should they have to be connected?
The first thing we're going to talk about today is we're going to talk about
Triangle.
polygons. Do you know what poly means? Poly means many. So this means many sides. So all of these shapes have more than one side, right? So how many sides are in a triangle?
3.
3? You're right. So what if my shape had 4 sides? What would it be called?
Triangle.
So a triangle has 3. What if I had something that had 4 sides? What are those called? What's a prefix that means 4?
Polygon.
Quad. Quad. So if I drove a quad runner, how many wheels would it have? That's
4.
4 wheels. So we are looking quad at 4 sides on each of these, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we learned about a lot of different shapes that have more than 4 sides, right? Does anybody remember any of them? These all have many sides.
Hexagon.
Hexagon. How many sides in a hexagon?
6.
6, you're right. How many sides does a star have? Sophia?
10.
10. And what is that called again, Dash?
Hexagon.
Decagon. Good job.
Decagon.
All right. Okay, so what we're going to do next is I'm going to ask you some questions. Okay. What polygon has 4 sides? What are they called? There's a bunch of different types of shapes. So what is the main word for a 4-sided shape? It's a long word. What is it?
Square.
What about this word right here? A quadrilateral.
Lateral.
So can you name 4 quadrilaterals? Can you name a quadrilateral?
Square.
A square. Is this a square?
Yes.
So a square has the same sides, right? They're all the same measurement. What's another quadrilateral?
What's called? What's the door in the picture?
The door is almost like a rectangle.
Yes. Yeah, but it doesn't have equal sides.
But it's got to have 2 sides that are the same.
Yeah, and they don't have
these 2 sides are going to be the same.
Yeah, they
Do you know what this is called?
Square. A kite.
A kite. So I want you each look at your cheat sheets for just a second, and I'm going to get one more thing up, and we are going to watch it, and then we're going to move on. We're going to watch this video, and then we're going to play some activities. So first, let's watch this. Let's put it up on our big screen. You guys are going to get to use your cheat sheets, and you're going to ask Cam some questions. The name of our activity is called What's My Shape? So you're going to ask him yes or no questions. So they're going to ask you questions. So it has to be a yes or no question. Ready, go.
Is your shape 4-sided? Yes.
Okay.
Is it a rectangle? Yes. Look,
Show
I
them.
can
Don't tell them.
I can see through
There
it.
you go. Oh, that's cheating.
Wait,
All
I
right.
don't see it. Let me see. Is
There's
it my
the
turn?
answer.
Or is it
Okay. This is your shape. All right. So hold it where they can't see it.
Is your shape 5-sided? You have to look.
Is it? No? Okay.
Does it have 4 sides?
Okay.
It's the shape of rhombus.
Is it a rhombus? Here, look right here. What is a rhombus?
Rhombus.
Does it look like that? What else? Let me see it. Open it up.
Rhombus.
What do you think? Does that look like a rhombus to you?
Sophie?
What do you think? What's another word? A rhombus is another word for a A kite,
Kite,
remember?
kite, kite.
This one. Okay, this is your shape. They're gonna ask you questions. Do you remember how many sides this is? Don't say it out loud, just count in your head.
I know.
Do you know what it is? Okay,
Most can. Is it square?
maybe ask about size.
How many
No,
sides?
you have to ask yes or no questions. Does
Does
it?
your shape has 11 sides? No.
About you, Dash, another question. Does your shape have?
Is your shape a rhombus?
Is it a rhombus?
No.
Okay.
It's a quadrilateral.
Is it a quadrilateral?
I don't know what that
Does it have 4 sides?
No.
Or does it have? Okay, so it doesn't have 4 sides. So what else could it be, guys?
Is it a pentagon? Yes.
Show it to them.
Okay, cool.
Yep, turn around, show them the set. Very good. It is a pentagon. Okay, so another activity, and we're gonna do something that's mimicking. Does anybody know what the word mimic means? What does the word mimic mean?
Copy.
Copy. We are gonna copy some things.
What? Are we gonna copy?
So what I need you to do is I'm gonna pass you out something. It is a board that you're gonna use with a dry eraser.
Is it a mamas?
You get to use one of these.
I don't think.
Okay. And I'm gonna show you here. Pick out a color. What color do you want? I'm gonna have everyone make a.
Triangle.
Can you make it exactly like that? How many across is it gonna be?
I don't know. I made it. I didn't get it.
Didn't do that one? You can try it again?
Wait, let me try.
Use your eraser. You're gonna have
Copied me.
a triangle is gonna have 3 sides, and each of these are the same. This is called an equilateral triangle because they have the exact same length of sides.
Oh, now I see it.
See it? So it's 4 across and it's 4 high. Right up here, 1, 2, 3, 4 dots high.
How do I do that?
Count 1, 2,
I
3,
did it.
4.
I did it.
It's gonna end right there, isn't it? Okay, you ready? Okay, erase your page. Erase.
I'm waiting.
The next shape.
I'm done on erasing
Give
it.
me a thumbs up when you're done erasing.
Square.
What is this?
Rectangle. Square.
Right, it's a quadrilateral
Rectangle.
called a rectangle,
I'm
which
like-
means 2 of the sides are the same length
Done.
and the other 2 sides
Okay.
are the same. Got it? Thumbs up?
Yeah, that's.
Can you make a rectangle inside your square?
No, you can't. Make a square.
Okay, next is a square.
No way yet. Is it 3 by 3? No way yet. Then we'll talk.
As soon as you're done making your square, give me a thumbs up. And then I need you to go on your Chromebook, on your Google Classroom, and open up your Geoboard. See where it says Geoboard right there? So click on that for me.
Done.
Okay.
A square is a 3
Let
by
me see
3.
your square.
A square is by 3 by 3.
So your square is going to have equal sides, right? Good job. All right, open up your Chromebook to Google Classroom.
Click. I clicked Geoboard, but
And
it
click
said
on
no internet. And now it did something.
Is it working?
Oh, now
Okay, so once you have your Geoboard,
I
play
play.
with it for just a minute.
well,
I'm going to give you a minute to play with it, and then we're going to work on 2, 3 harder shapes.
I never played this game on a computer before.
It's fun, isn't it?
Okay.
Give me a thumbs up when you're hitting a clear screen. Thumbs up. Is your screen clear? Cam? All right, you ready?
No.
What is this? It's got 2 names that we know of.
Rhombus.
One is a rhombus, but it also looks like a what?
Rhombus.
Does it look like something we fly in the sky?
Yeah, a kite.
A kite.
Plane.
Now,
I knew it.
You can use any color, but only use one color to make a rhombus or a kite. So we have, how many sides on this? How many sides does this shape have?
I don't know.
Cam, how many sides does this shape have?
4.
4
Look
sides.
at that. I did it one rubber round.
All right, but you got to remember, they all got to be the same length, right?
There's a big
A
one.
rhombus has 4 sides the same length, equal length. So if you make one length 4, the other lengths have to be 4. If you make it 2, they all have to be 2.
Well, I need to restart.
So restart it. Looking good,
I did
Cam.
mine.
I'm coming to see. No, not quite. They have to be the same.
How? Like this? This one will band.
How about I give you that shape and let you look at it? Okay? Here you go, Sophia. I'm going to let you look at this shape. Very good. I'm very impressed. Dash and Cam, here is your shape.
What's this?
How many sides does this shape have? Let's count. You ready? Look up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides.
I did it!
So what kind of shape is this if it has 6
Look,
sides?
Look.
Perfect. Very, very good.
Look.
Perfect.
Mine.
You added some extra lines.
I'm eating the rubber
That still
band.
looks the right shape, doesn't it? Sophie, would you like to use this shape so you can see it up
No, she
close?
doesn't want to.
Alright. Alright, when you have your hexagon done, give me a thumbs up. Okay, so when everybody's completed your Geoboard activity.
My hook.
Alright, has everybody finished?
Yes.
Alright,
Oh,
I
wow.
need you to shut your Chromebooks.
Okay.
Just wait, are you listening?
We need these.
I need you to turn on your ears.
How do you do that?
Very
Okay.
nice. Shut your Chromebooks, everyone.
What?
Okay, so today we learned about geometry, specifically about polygons. Polygons are shapes that have many sides. A triangle has, everybody say it at once, 1, 2, 3,
3 sides.
3 sides. A quadrilateral has how many sides? How many sides does a quadrilateral have? 4 sides. So these are going to be shapes that have 4 sides. And are all my shapes with more than 4 sides. Okay?
Cookies. Kite.
So I'm going to have you guys come one at a time, pick out a shape, and put it on this board where it belongs. All right, Sophia, you can come up to the board. All right. Okay, hand me your cheat sheet. Thank you. And then choose one of these design cards and put it on the board where it belongs. A triangle. Where did the triangle belong? 3 sides. Very good. All right, you're excused. Fist bump. Nope. 1 is all you need. Fist bump, and you're out.
All
All right, thank you, Sophia. Cam, take one of these and put it where it belongs.
Secondly, now.
A square. Does it
Okay.
have the same sides or different sides? Very good. All right, thank you. You're all done. Fist bump. Okay, Dash, you can come now. Choose one of these design cards and tell me where this is going to go. All right, the rhombus has 4 sides. Are they all the same size or different? This is the same size. These are different sizes. Up there? Okay, so it's going to go right there. All right, so we got 2 more. Give me a fist bump and go sit down. Go sit. So a rectangle, where would we put the rectangle? It's got different sides, correct?
Yeah.
So this one would go down here.
I did
And then this one's got how many sides?
more than 1, 2, 3. Stop counting. 4, 5, 6.
6 sides. So this will go to the more than 4
Right.
sides. All right, thank you for joining me today.